Oh, hey, how you doing? Welcome to our channel. Welcome to the PonPon Sister channel. Hey guys, how y'all doing? I am Shantae, the mother of the three gorgeous PonPon sisters. And today we are going to be doing a beauty room tour. So I know it's kind of been a while since I've done a beauty room tour. Like, I've changed my room so much from the beginning of this year when I first started doing YouTube, and I've moved to the old nursery room right now. I started out in the bedroom in our bedroom, and now I have turned the old nursery room into my beauty room slash studio slash office room. So I pretty much do any and everything in this room, as far as recording, editing, taking my pictures. I mean, literally everything. My life pretty much centers, at least my YouTube life pretty much centers around this room. So right now, most of you guys have already seen that back there. If you don't follow me on Facebook or Instagram, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and follow us on one of those platforms, if not both of them. But if you have seen me take selfies, you've always seen this nice lovely bookshelf back there. Well, that is a new addition, and we also have some other new additions that we are going to be getting into. So buckle up and get ready, because you are about to enter the wonderful world of Shantae. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on the beauty room tour. So this is pretty much the hallway of where the old nursery is, and we're gonna go ahead and enter the room so you can see what we're all about. So this is standing at the front door, pretty much an overview of what the room looks like, and we are going to step inside, and we're gonna start on this side of the wall. So over here, I had Babe. We went to Big Lots. So this is where the cube organizer came from, Big Lots, and I believe it was on sale. We got like an extra 20% off coupon. So instead of having it, on the ground, I wanted something, mounted up. And I think I came across like a YouTube video where somebody was revamping a old room, and they took a cube shelf and mounted it to the wall. So I found some mounts for like $10 at Lowe's, and there are two. There's one mounted on this side, and then there's one mounted back there in that corner on that side, and that's what's holding it up to the wall. And it's, of course, for Christmas decor, I've added a nice little gold garland to add some Mary to this room, and I have some pictures and some flowers, a painting that I painted, and I kind of use it for miscellaneous things. As you can see, we have nail polish over here in one cube. I have my Bibles and magazines over here, my clips that I haven't figured out what to use that for, so it's kind of just chilling out. I have some more decor up there. That's an old perfume bottle and some candles, my jewelry little section right there, more miscellaneous decor, and all of my press-on nails go right up there in that little cute fish bowl. Super cute. So that's where I pretty much just, kind of store stuff and kind of show it off. I really like it. Like, this was probably my favorite part of the room when we were in the middle of reorganizing everything. Then down here at the bottom, I added two little ottoman chairs, as you can see right there, and that's mainly just for the girls to have somewhere to sit when they come in here. I also added a wax candle outlet, so I put my little wax cubes in there so it smells like extra good whenever I'm in here. I am all about smells, so I do love my scents. And they're also storage. I'm sorry, I didn't open it up. It's also storage, and I got these from Walmart, and they were on sale. They were on clearance for like $10, I can't remember, and they're actually pretty decent size, and they're very sturdy. I mean, I sit on them, the girls sit on them, they work perfectly. And right there I have a heater just in case it gets a little chilly in here, and I rarely use that. And then I have a nice little fur rug just to add a little bit of pizzazz to the floor, I guess. And then over here is pretty much the bedroom closet, and I have a bunch of, I think it's halfway decent, I'll show you guys. So I painted one of those little plastic storage things. I think when I originally bought it, it was brown because they were all sold out of the white, and I had to spray paint it white. Yeah, I spray painted it white, and then I did the front faces a silver, and it holds all of my wigs, weaves, braiding hair, all that stuff is in those drawers. And then over there in that little corner in the cube shelf, it's like all of my fabric, leftover fabric and stuff that I have. And then Boo's clothes hang from the top of it. And over here we have a trash can, and that picture used to hang right there on that wall, but it fell and I'm all out of command strips. So for right now, it's just chilling on the floor, but it's super cute. I believe I got it from Home Goods. I got it from Home Goods. So we also recently painted in here too, probably about a month, maybe a month or two ago. We painted in here, and I pretty much took like, and this is a color that I made up, so I can't even tell you what color is on this wall because I mixed it. I mixed it to get this overall color, and I absolutely love it. Like it's like a Seagram or a seafoam, like I don't know, it's like a blue-green kind of color. It's kind of funky, and I really liked it. I only did halfway up to the wall. Yes, that was on purpose, and that's mainly because I had this gorgeous floral wall that I created doing a DIY through Dollar Tree, and I did half of the wall, and that's just to add some color into this room and make it look, you know, extra girly. So if you haven't seen how I've created this wall of florals, those will be in my Instagram stories under my floral backdrop. So that's pretty much what we did in this room. I have my little painting over there, Boss Babe. This is my plant. His name is Spike. I also have another plastic container drawer thing over here that I also painted white and silver, and it holds all of my crafting stuff, like I mean, just anything crafting, crayons, pencils, construction paper, hot glue, glitter, like all that stuff pretty much goes in here, which we're about to start working on another crafting project in a minute. Then we have this bookcase. This bookcase was also added when we put in the cubed organizer. So we also assembled this, and this is also from Big Lots. And like I said, we had got it while it was on sale. So just something simple to hold all of my hair care products. I really didn't have anywhere where they could be displayed, and I know what I have and what I need. So I've added some more decor up there. Another painting that I painted, she's just a wig just chilling out up there. I've added some flowers, and it's just pretty much everything that I use. I actually got rid of a lot of stuff. I finally went through a lot of stuff and used it because I try not to have a big bulk of damn hair products. Like nobody needs all that in their life. It's just unnecessary. So down here, the girls' hair bows are in that box. I have some more miscellaneous stuff. That's like hair dye and bleach and stuff over there. And in that very bottom box, I have my hair scarves, my hair wraps, all that stuff goes down there. And then now for the finale, it's the desk that I have. So we purchased this L-shaped desk probably about 2 years ago. Pretty much just a glass L-shaped desk. I liked it because it was glass, and you know, glass just looks so clean and pretty to me. So one side is like the office side, and the other side of the L is the beauty side. And as you can see, I have my organization for all of my makeup. I purchased this container from Home Goods as well. The fan was from a beauty supply store. There's all my lip glosses in these glass containers. Now the glass containers I purchased from Goodwill. I just went in there and found random glass containers, and that's the same thing for these glass containers over here on this wall where my hair clips are, my nail polish, and my press-ons. Those are all glass containers that I bought from Goodwill or some thrifting store. I like going to like the antique stores to find stuff like that, and that's mainly because glass is so expensive, and I paid no more than maybe $2 for these. So, and if you can't find any there, you can always go to Dollar Tree. This bad boy right here is from Dollar Tree, and she holds my Q-tips, and one holds all my cotton balls and cotton swabs. I have my lip glosses. I have another container. Now this container is from from Wish. These glass containers, I have two. One is for my eye brushes, which I have a lot of and they need to be clean. And this one holds all my face brushes, which I don't really use other than for my highlight and my blush. The rest of these kind of just go to waste, but I let them sit up there and look pretty. And of course, to add some Christmas decor, I bought these two little cone shaped rose gold Christmas trees. They are so stinking cute. And I got these from Michael's. I also got those on sale too because, like I told you, homegirl don't play full price for anything. We always paying with a coupon, okay? And then I have my little handheld mirror. This is what I use for, you know, all my close-ups, especially when I'm tweezing. One side does like a ×3 or ×4 or whatever, so it can get nice and close up in there. And then over here I have my camera and my ring light. These remotes control them. This one controls the vanity. So that's one. And there it is. And then this one controls the ring light. So I have plenty of freaking light when I am recording. So I absolutely love it. And it has so many damn settings on it. So yeah, it has tons of settings. There's my camera sitting in the mirror or in the middle of the ring light where I record everything, pretty much any and everything. And the tripod also came with the ring light and I absolutely love it. It was a nice upgrade that I desperately needed. So thanks, babe. So, and he ordered that off of Amazon. So yeah, super helpful. Then over here on the office side, I have like stuff to hold my binders and stuff. Now, originally I bought this stuff to hold my eyeshadow palettes, but then I added this one. So now I'm actually able to use this for its actual purpose, which is for, you know, binders and notebooks and stuff like that. So I keep all my miscellaneous stuff over there. And then I have me a cute little teddy bear just to keep me happy. A little coffee mug like a boss. Because, you know, we a boss up in here. And it holds all my pencils and pens. And there's some more Christmas decor over here. Look at those little ornaments. They're so cute, aren't they? And I got those from Michael's as well. And some fake snow to go in the bottom of it. You know, just to make it a little Christmassy up in here. Then we have the laptop. Where I do all my uploading for YouTube and some helpful little notebooks that I try to keep track of my schedule. So a lot of stuff is going on in this room. Keeps me very busy and I love that it is just so cute and quaint. Like the girls don't even really bother me in here. It's pretty much my own and I've made it my own and I absolutely love it. And all of this hard work has gone into it. I absolutely love this paint job in here. Like, I wanted something different and I feel like doing the wall, only half of the wall was like perfect. It was absolutely perfect. So that is our beauty room. That is what we have going on in this room. All the stuff that we have going on in here. It is definitely a room made just for me. I absolutely love it here. Every detail of this room pretty much came from me. So, to add, we are doing a new, like, we're having a new crafting project where I want to add our name, PonPon Sisters, to my walls, you know, just to have something that shows, you know, why I come in here every day to do what I do. So I went to a local wood cutting shop. They do like all kind of crafty wood cuts and stuff like that. And the place is called Sipley. I'll make sure to try to tag them in this video for you guys. They have a Facebook page. So for people who are local to the Fayetteville area, Fort Bragg area, you can check them out for any kind of wood cutting. And we'll be adding it to this floral wall here. So we are going to add PonPon Sisters right in the middle, and it's going to be a nice gold shimmer just like the leaves, so it's going to, you know, have more gold in here. So we're going to go ahead and head downstairs because we will be doing another crafting project where I am going to be spray painting the PonPon Sisters and hanging it on my wall. So let's get ready to craft.